I still remember the first day I told my friends I wanted to rap. The first reaction was they started to laugh. I've been lost in my own world, but I don't need a map. I'm gonna keep reaching for the top like for the stars I'm trying to grab. I've also been criticized with the music I do. I'm the person you always see working cause I'm not like you. If I'm not at school or cooking, I'm at the studio. My wannabe friends wanna go drinking, asking if I wanna go. I say no. I'd rather work on my dreams, cause it seems to some people you can wake up to be a king or queen. But to me, the truth is all you see. Words can become a powerful tool and get crowds to believe. I know this video is gonna go viral, but can somebody send us to the heavens? My little sister's up there watching me. I want her to know that I'ma win this. You probably thought I was gonna talk about drugs, money, and girls, but I'm not the kind of rapper. I'm here to teach the world. Para ponerlo simple, quiero que piensen en algo. Piensen en lo bueno, no en lo malo. Yo sé que por mucho tiempo yo ya he estado hablando, pero por eso estoy aquí para que aprendan algo.